This is the new Novation Circuit. It's our first hardware, software, standalone sequencer, plus 2-part synthesizer and 4-part drum machine. So check this out. Right now we got two 16-step sequencers, one for drum 1 and one for drum 2. It's laying a simple drum pattern. Now let's go to drum 3 and 4 and do the same thing. You could even fine-tune stuff like pitch, decay. Yeah, you got simple stuff like swing. Right now you can see we're at 50. Let's change it up to 65. Then you can even go into the bass and add a bass line. Fine-tune that as well. You even have a sidechain feature which takes its signal from drum 1. You can hear how it starts to pump. Mixer control. Effects, reverb, and delay. I'm gonna send some reverb to drum 2. And change that up to a clap.
Use it with the Novation app? Like, does it work with the Novation, like the iPad app?
Not necessarily, but we do have a standalone editor for this thing. So you can go into Synth 1 and be like, I want Synth 1 to be a square wave, sawtooth wave, and I want knob 1 of Synth 1 to do filter cutoff, pulse width modulation, and LFO1 rate, or whatever you want. Easily, boom, save it, and you have it here. And you can take that specific patch, throw it into our cloud-based server, and bring it in and throw it into your friend's server. Yeah. So it's not just a product, it's a community. We have a Facebook users group called Circuit Owners where people throw up content all day long, even throw out things like, oh, that'd be tight if it could do this. And then we're like, all right, let's see if we can do it. So we're big on listening to our customers and seeing who's buying this and who really wants to use this. And so far, it's been a big hit. I mean, I love this thing to death. It's battery powered, even has a built-in speaker as well, which is really nice. Yeah, MIDI in and out and the USB out, so you can sequence hardware or software. Anything you want, yeah.
Does it work with like a surface or anything like that, like a touch surface?
Basically, it'll send MIDI out to anything. So whatever you want to plug it into, anything on Synth 1 is MIDI channel 1, Synth 2 is MIDI channel 2, and then all the drums are on 10. So like I'll have my MPC on 10, Synth 2 will be a bass station, and 1 will be my Jupiter 8. So, and then I can even at the same time plug it into Ableton, set up MIDI channels in there, or Logic, or I don't know what other DAWs there are out there. And basically, if you just route it right, it'll send the MIDI to it, even recorded parameters. That's another nice part about this thing. You can just go in, change the sound, and then fine tune it, and even record that. And it'll show you LED feeds. Yep, exactly. And it'll send that MIDI out as well.
Wow.
So what are you running off right now? What are you triggering? Is it internal or?
It's all internal sounds. Yeah, these are all digital drum samples, and then the synths are from our Nova synth line, which is like the Mini Nova and the Ultra Nova. It's a very powerful synth in here, which is really fun.
MIDI mapping and everything still, like,
yeah.
Like with your DAWs and stuff like that.
What's the price point on this?
These are in stores right now for $329. Yeah, $329. Comes with the batteries, comes with the 2 MIDI cables, comes with the USB cable and the wall power supply. So straight out of the box, you can instantly turn it on within 5 seconds and start making a full track.
It comes with basically it'll have an editor and everything.
Yeah. That's all. You just download that online right now. Yeah.
How does the server work? Do you have to pay for the server?
No, it's all free. You log in with your Facebook and you throw all that stuff up on through there. And then basically, if you're at a homie's place and they have a Circuit too, you'll be like, oh, I made this tight bass line. Check this out. Log in, bring it down, throw it into his circuit, save it into any specific patch right here of all 32 that you got, and you're set.
Wow.
Yeah.